Hey Snohomish County, I'm here in my latest listing. It is a split level in Mays Pond. Let me tell you several reasons why you should consider a split level, and in particular, this one. One of the best reasons to get a split level house is you get more bang for your buck. It's built on slabs, so if you have noisy housemates, send them downstairs to play Dance Dance Revolution and it won't shake the entire house. Some of the things that I love about this house is that you have 3 bedrooms up, a bedroom down, an office niche, and an actual enclosed den office. You've got some custom tile, slab granite. I can hardly wait to show it to you, so let's go check it out. So guys, what did you think? A few other things that I really love about this house is the location. It's on Cul-de-sac. It's just minutes from Mill Creek Town Center, Bothell Everett Highway, Highway 9, which means if you're on Bothell Everett Highway, you can get to 405 and I-5 in a jiffy. So if you would like to see this in person, give me a call on my cell phone. And if you have any real estate needs, give the Lisa Bender team a call, where you get old-fashioned service using today's tech. And until I have a chance to talk to you, take good care. Bye-bye.